I hope everybody were excited as we are.
Hello folks, welcome back to Journey Before Destination Overlanding. This is Gary here with you. We're down here in Florida at Cape Canaveral and we're about to watch the Falcon Heavy rocket launch. First one in several years. It's going off in 1 minute and 9 seconds. Got the dogs, got everybody else here. Stay dogs. We're gonna hop out of the Jeep. As you can see, no, you're not blocking us. It's a beautiful day here. Stay dogs. You can see we got the Jeep down here. We're on the beach. And we got about a minute for it to go. Countdown. It should come right up over top of that sailboat there. I'm going to try and zoom in. I think that's as close as I can zoom in, 3x. So just a little bit of patience. You won't be able to tell how loud it is on the stream, but it's definitely going to be loud here. What's the timing? It's our first overland trip in a while. We drove down here overnight, drove non-stop to get here quick. Spent the night in a hotel last night because we got in late. So you can't sleep on the beaches. As you can see over here.
Ignition, there it goes.
And there's the ignition, there it is. Wow. Sound hasn't gotten here yet. Yeah, this is nowhere near as loud as Space Shuttle was.
Sound hasn't got to us yet.
Yeah, that's true. I'm surprised it hasn't, but... There, what is? There
Can you not hear it?
Now I can. Alright folks, that's about it for the launch. You can see we're here in beautiful Florida. It's up above the clouds. You really can't see much more of it right now, but the dog's in back. Not excessively happy about all the noise. Hi Paolo, hi Tina. No, Paolo, get back.
Getting back.
Yeah, Paolo's not a happy camper about the noise. Is it okay, Paolo? But anyway, we got the whole setup here. Drove all the way down overnight. Stayed in a hotel, like I said, last night because we can't really camp on the beach. But we're going to head back and we're going to stop at a couple, 2 or 3 places on the way back and enjoy the trip up. Not going to be as hectic as the trip down here. Hopefully we'll get home. Oh, stop. You see my dog, saw a little small dog walking around there barking at him, but Athena wants to go out and play. She's a goofy dog. But anyway, that was the Falcon launch. I'll post this up a little while after it actually launched. I wanted to go live, but apparently I have to have 1,000 subscribers before I can go live. You can see the squiggly from it. That's the vapor trail and so forth. And then sometime relatively soon, we should be able to see the two stages. The side rockets come back down and land. They're going to land back out somewhere roughly the same place. I'm not sure how long it's going to be. So, but anyway, you have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And have a wonderful day. I'll take some more videos on the way back up when we get into the woods in the northern area. We'll go from there.